In the last video, we discussed that there is a law governing the life and health, a law governing disease, and a law governing cure. In this video, we are going to discuss Miasm, the law governing disease, from the perspective of Dr. J.H. Allen. He says that we have to look deep enough to see the miasmatic dynamics, which controls the mechanism behind everything pertaining to disease. That brings us to the question, what is a miasm? According to Dr. J.H. Allen, it is the invisible potentiality that is imposed upon the life of every unborn child in some degree, often to such an extent as to destroy the new life itself or drive it from its living house, that is, the uterus, by its invisible expelling powers. These are the influences that break down the resisting power of the organism, brings it to its knees, makes it surrender to unnatural and unhealthy processes, and thus bringing in all the perversions, even to the level of cell change, leading to cell perversions. And this is how the inimical forces that we call miasms gives the unformed, imperfect creation in utero the principle of cell perversion, which after birth generates all kinds of false processes, whether marked or unmarked, structural or functional, all kinds of changes in organism, even to the tubercular level. To know more about tubercular miasm, stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.